boxes, I cannot fit in the boxes. Stop it, stop it, quitting was never an option. Exhausted, exhausted, this passion is never exhausted. And you cannot stop it, nah, you cannot stop it.
The following program contains dangerous stunts performed by professionals. Do not attempt to recreate or imitate any action seen in this program.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another brand new video. I'm right here with the boy George, Jorge, the one and only. He has the exact same bikes that I have. He's got a 2021 BMW M package S1000RR, and he's got the brand new M1000RR that I have. He got his I think a month or 2 months before I got mine, but this thing is immaculate. It's brand new still. I think it's got about 1,000 miles on the dash. I hit him up. Unfortunately, I don't have either of my bikes. They are currently being worked on, as you guys saw in the other videos, but he's gonna let me ride the M, which, I mean, there's not a big difference, right? Because I got an M as well, but he told me I could ride whichever one, and we're gonna start off with the M. Oh my god, I haven't rode in like, I think 3 weeks now. The last time I rode was in Atlanta. Being on a bike right now is just definitely amazing right now. Thank you, Jorge. I appreciate you, brother. We're gonna go meet up with some guys. Hopefully it doesn't get too dark on us, to where we can still kind of enjoy the ride. His S1000 is set up to, he's got no tune on it, I believe, no Brenton on it, but he's got a SC project just like mine, and obviously his M is completely stock. But let's get on the road, let's get on the highway, see if we don't catch a lot of traffic, and let's ride over to meet up the guys. There's a Night Fury guy, R6, hit me up. They're out here from Cali, so we're gonna meet up with them and do a quick ride. You guys sit back and enjoy the video. Let's get this road, how do you say it? Let's get this show on the road. He's got 1,079 miles on the dash. Mine has about 800 and some change, but there's some work being done to it, which you will see in a video coming up shortly. As you guys saw the video of my S1000 being dropped off and get some work done on it. Finally swapped out that engine by the boy Sly. But I do have another update video coming up where I fully ride the S1000 finally after so long. So I'm excited to show you guys about that. We are in Fate, Texas. What are those bikes? Man, that thing sounds good. That SC, man. You guys still haven't guessed what exhaust I'm getting on my M. That thing looks really good. He's got them all cleaned up, ready to go. That thing looks good. It looks good, Jorge. And then obviously his M, fully cleaned up. I saw some bikes. Oh, they're over there pulling in. The only thing his S is missing is the gold chain on it. Mine has a gold chain just like the M, but that's basically all he's missing. Nothing else. Lock it in, come on, Rafa. Lock it in, brother. Like I was telling you guys, I haven't rode since Atlanta. It's been about 3 weeks, maybe a month now. It's about to be a month, but the M and the S are both getting worked on, like I mentioned, right now, and I should be getting at least one of them back here pretty soon. The exhaust on the M is still on back order, still not coming in, still a few weeks out till that thing comes in, but I'll just keep you guys posted. And I know we're about to pass the lake, which it looks really nice when you ride. I don't really ride on this side of town. Don't really ride on this side of town, but it's nice out here. And the sunset's just going down right now. It's beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna try to duck down to when we get to the water, because I don't want any bugs getting on my windscreen. Man, look at that Mustang. Perfect shot with the Mustang and the flag. Perfect shot. That looks good, brother. Would you guys be down if I do like a video with my helmet and like a jet ski or something? I don't know if that will work out, right? That'll be funny. That'll be funny, man. Get a vlog going on with the helmet and the jet ski at the lake house. I'm just amazed on how smooth these bikes are for it to be a track bike. Let's see. Picking up more, but then this one just like a M thing, like something kicks in on this bike, where that one is just kind of like goes, and then this one is just kind of like a little bit smoother, but obviously no exhaust and nothing on the bike, so it's good. I don't know if you guys can see it, maybe it's too dark now, but Jorge has like this little leak going on his fork. He had told me about it, and I can see it now. It's leaking from the, maybe the screw is like loose or something. It's probably a quick fix. There's too much of an expensive bike for this to be doing this kind of stuff. Man, wait till you guys see what kind of work's being done on my M. You guys are gonna be like amazed. Y'all are gonna be like, what? There's no way. I'm like, yes way. I think it's pretty cool. You guys will get to see the video here maybe like in a week or two. Just waiting on a few things to be done before I drop that video. Y'all let me know what y'all think. My M is getting done. I think Jorge's gonna go with some Rizoma mirrors on his bike. He was telling me that he ordered them. It's so smooth, bro. It's so smooth. And that one sounds fucking good. Sounds really good. Let's see who these kids are. Damn, it's hot. Where the homies at? Is that you? Okay, that's him. Okay. I don't know who's who.
You need a word, my brother.
What's up, brother? What you got?
Bro, what the fuck is wrong with Mez, bro?
Mez? He's at home chilling.
Why did he deactivate his account?
He's taking a break. He's tired of y'all motherfuckers. No, I'm just kidding, bro. Nah, he's just taking a break, bro. Yeah.
He told me at work too. He's like, what the fuck happened to me? I'm like, bro, I have no idea.
Yeah, no, he's just chilling. He's just chilling. Yeah. What's up, bro? I thought it was you. I was like, oh shit. What's up, man? Nice to meet you, bro. I'm Rafa. What's up, G?
Nice to meet you.
Rafa, brother. Nice to meet you guys. Y'all from Cali?
Yeah.
Damn, bro. Where you from?
I'm from Alabama.
Atlanta?
No, Alabama.
Oh, I was about to say I was just there, bro. What the fuck?
I was there with y'all.
You were there?
Yeah.
Oh, nice, nice. How'd you like it?
It was fun as hell.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, Rafa, I didn't know that was you because you took the fucking sticker.
That's his bike.
Oh, okay.
That's his bike. Yeah, mine's getting worked on. Yeah. You thought it was mine?
I mean, I just didn't know it was you when you first put, because I was looking for the S1.
Yeah, no, that's his. They're both his. Yeah, no, they're both his, bro.
He took off the mirrors too?
Yeah, I'm Rafa.
I've been watching your content.
Oh, appreciate that, boss. Yes, sir. Yeah. No, this is not mine, bro. Yeah, this is not mine. This is Jorge's bike.
I like how you're saying it's not mine, like you don't have the same one. It's not mine, but I just got one of them.
Yeah, we're gonna go do a shoot real quick with them, and I'll be back over here. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Yeah, I'll be back probably like in 30 minutes or so. So, all right, man. So all these guys, he's from Alabama, but the two of the guys are from Cali. Me. Oh, bleep that out. Bleep that out. You know, YouTube sensitive out here. You know what I'm saying? Let's see how it takes it, me pulling up to a shoot with these guys. That's funny, man. I'm probably not gonna vlog the shoot because it's gonna be boring. I mean, you guys seen when I vlogged shoots before. It's just not ideal. Oh, they're about the same. We can. I'll pump on them after the shoot. Oh man, this is hot. Hey, I saw the leak. It's little. Yeah, it's really little. It's almost nothing. I feel like it's the screw.
Sí, pero como que I'm gonna tell him, no?
No, yeah. The sooner the better. You know, it's probably just loose. Yeah. Yep. I think it's just loose. So. Man, they look good right next to each other. We got the the new pumps. Bro, I might buy me a little drink or something. Hopefully I get some good content with Itzy, you know? Yeah. Yeah. Where the hell is she at? See. Let me say what's up to Smitty.
What are you doing?
They told me to pull up. I'm the op.
You're the ops.
Yeah.
Who all is it? I know it's Night Fury, is Dottie, Yamabra, I think.
Tell them I want to shoot with you, but
Yeah. By the way, he hates me. Papa hates me. Like last time we got in a physical altercation in a parking lot.
what's up, bro?
How's it going?
Did you bring both M1Ks?
No.
Did you bring yours?
We have one M1K and his S1K. They're both his.
Oh, you're not. What happened here?
I have no bikes. You'll see.
What does that mean?
Apparently you don't see my fucking post.
A few minutes later.
I like that. I like the red. That looks mean, bro. So there's been a lot of cops going on, like breaking down all these shoots and stuff. So obviously everybody's kind of taking precautions on how they're doing it, what they're doing. I'm trying to stay on this side. That guy's shooting rocks. Get that wheelie on the bridge. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get that wheelie up, bro. Get that wheel up. Yes, sir. Whew, this sounds good. Whew, that sounds good, bro. That sounds good. Okay, it got dark now, so I'm gonna just cut it off here, back until we get back to the Field City or something, and then I'll just finish out the vlog over there. We already met up with the homies. We're riding out here shooting. It's getting too dark. I don't know if my settings are good for it, but I mean, I'll still keep recording. But look how mad people get. This video, I really do want to give a shout out to Jorge. If y'all don't follow him, y'all go make sure check out his page, man. He has the same bikes I do. You know, he's got his shit together, so big shout out to you, bro. Thanks for letting me ride the bike. I appreciate you, bro. I really do. He trusted me with the M, and that just shows you nothing but love, you know, in return. So now we're just gonna pull up here and end the video. Let's see who's there, say what's up, and then go home after that. You know what I'm saying? Bro, they got a whole... What the hell's going on? Bro, they got the guy arrested with guns and all. Bro, what happened over there? That's crazy. Bro, did they just get that guy with guns and shit?
I don't know. They just got.
They got like rifles and stuff. And they arrested the guy already.
Yeah, because they pulled in right now. I was about to get back in the fucking car and leave, bro.
Y'all be safe, man. What's up? Oh no, I was with you just now. Y'all be safe, man. You be safe.
Where's your bike at, Rafa? Where's your bike?
That one's got a plate. There's something wrong with that one.
Yeah, that ain't you.
I know. I think that gives it away, man, that it's not my bike.
100%, man.
Yeah.
How's
Yeah.
your bike doing?
Huh?
How's Mel's doing?
He's good. He's good.
He said he's gonna take a break.
Yeah, he's taking a break, bro. He's just taking a break. Good to see you, man. Come on, Dust. Good to see you, brother.
You say, bro?
Yeah. Good to see you, bro. Alright, guys, we're just gonna end up the video here. I mean, task force pulled up, but it's not for us, thankfully. They got a couple of guys arrested over there, so we're just gonna let them do what they gotta do. End the vlog here, and just call it a night, you know what I'm saying? So other than that, once again, thanks so much for letting me ride the bikes, Jorge. I really appreciate you on his beautiful M1000RR. But up until the next one, guys.
They're four-wheelers that got in trouble for wheeling here.
Oh, four-wheelers?
Yeah, they used to wheelie.
Oh, thank God.
When I was racing.
Hell yeah. Get the
They're located in the,
yeah.
like all the guns and shit.
No, but they got fucking guns on them and shit.
Yeah.
That is crazy. That is fucking crazy.
Yeah, because they pulled in as soon as we pulled in.
Yep, well, we're just gonna end the video here, guys. That's it. That's it for tonight. That's funny. All these guys are gonna leave just because the task force pulled up. So, but it's quite a few bikes out here. I'm not gonna lie. So that's good. But up until the next one, guys, thanks so much for watching. Y'all subscribe to the channel. Y'all give it a thumbs up, and y'all be safe out there. Peace, y'all. Here's some, bro. They busted the little four-wheelers, bro. That's crazy. Yeah.